The emergency alert system has been activated at the request of the United States federal government. This is not a test. We interrupt your regularly scheduled programming to inform you of an imminent threat to public safety and well-being. This news will cause anxiety, confusion and concern. The continent of Australia has gone silent, with no clues. We want to assure the public that the federal government is trying everything in its power to contact the Australian government. Please stay safe and alert during this time of uncertainty.